Hey, it's Tim O'Donohue with RelationshipStore Counseling and Coaching Center. Want to talk to you today about, what we really do here at RelationshipStore. What we do is restore hope and help you heal. We know what it's like to feel like when you're lost, you're scared, you're anxious, you're down, things have not been going your way. You feel like you have to put on a front, a mask for people to see, act a certain way, be a certain way. It's not okay to feel the way you feel. Well, we at Relationship Store understand, and we want you to know it's okay to feel the way you feel. And in fact, you have to feel the way you feel if you're going to get better about the way you feel. And what I mean is, we all need to be valued for where we're at and have someone who can hear us and listen to us and understand the pain that we might be going through in order to start healing that. And then, without rushing, without judgment, without criticism, will take you step by step along the healing process and the growth process. Also, to restore that little piece of hope that you still have left, the part of you that resonates, the belief, remembers like what it was when you had a success or when you felt a little bit better or things were in your life or someone who you loved was there with you. We can restore that hope, really. And those are not just words. This is really what we do. It's my passion at Relationship Store Counseling and Coaching Center to help you heal and be the best self you can. Sometimes we promote a lot about the second part of that, the best self, of growing, of being all we can be. And don't for a minute think that that first part is not important as much. In fact, more important to meet you where you are and help you heal through compassion, through understanding, and through taking you step by step. Relationship Store Counseling and Coaching Center is at 241 South Frontage Road in Burr Ridge, Illinois, 60527. Our phone number is 630-974-6777. Feel free to call me or email me direct at todonahue, TODONOHUE @relationshipstore.org. Thank you.